What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be talking about price targets. We're going to be looking at Cronos price target, Aphria, Canopy, Tilray, and of course Aurora Cannabis. And unfortunately, out of all these companies, only one company's price target was raised. Can you guys take a guess which company was raised out of all these companies? But either way, before we get this video started, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button, and let's get this video started. So today we're going to be looking at price targets, and the first company we're going to be looking at is Aphria, mostly because it has the worst price target out of all of them. Also, I want to take a look at Aphria charts and talk about a pattern that I see forming. So right here we have Aphria charts, and we have a support here at around $6.50, and this has been a pretty consistent support. We've seen it go below the support line a few times, but consistently go back above it. Also, we see a triangle pattern forming right here, and usually what happens when we squeeze in the tighter end of this triangle is we're going to have a breakthrough. So whether we have a breakthrough in the upward or the downward direction is unknown. It does seem to want to break below this support line right here. So now we're going to be looking at Aphria price targets, which don't seem to look good. So right now we have Aphria's current price of $6.55 US, and the 1 year forecast is $6.67. We also have the 5 year forecast, which is $7.09. We're going to move on to the next company, which is Tilray, and we're just going to go straight to the target price. On June 10th, Tilray rose 12.1%. The company issued a press release related to a lockout period extension for one of its biggest shareholders. So as you can see from the charts right here, this line right here represents the target price, which seems to be going down even further. So while the news brought some relief to shareholders, Tilray's overall consensus target price in June was even lower compared to a month ago. The company's current target price for the next 12 months was $82.40, which was lower than the consensus of $94.90 in May. The overall rating on the stock was a hold. While 10 analysts had a hold rating on the stock, only 3 analysts had a buy rating for the next 12-month period. While the ratings on the stock haven't changed for the last 12 months, the decline in the target price shows extended bearishness on the stock. There might be weakness in the company's outlook in the near term. So now we're going to move on to the next company, which is Cronos Inc., currently sitting at $15.10. The 1 year forecast is $24.67. 5 year forecast is $64.67. The price target for both Tilray and Cronos is looking a lot better versus Aphria's target price. So now we're going to be looking at another target price for Cron. Here is the Bank of America Merrill Lynch upgraded Cronos Group to a buy from its previous underperformed rating. Usually we see upgrades going from underperformed to neutral and then to a buy. Cronos Group skipped the neutral rating, and stock was also given a target price upgrade from $17 Canadian dollars to 27 Canadian dollars to be achieved over the next 12 months. Cronos Group was trading at 22 Canadian dollars, which would leave an upside of 22% in the next 12 months. And now we're going to move on to Canopy Growth's target price, which current price right now is $37.14. The 1 year forecast is $70, and the 5 year forecast is $142. So in 1 year it's predicted to almost double. But we're going to go on to another target price right here, which was given by an analyst, Nicholas Faze at Bryan Gardner and Co. They ended up downgrading this firm's rating of Canopy to neutral from buy. So Canopy used to have a buy rating, now it's a neutral, while also chopping the target price from $60 to $45.83. So they ended up bringing the price down to $60 Canadian from $85 Canadian, which meant that the price was also brought down to $45.83 American from $64.93 American. Canopy's target price also was lowered. So we're starting to see a trend here. Almost all these companies' target prices are being lowered, especially Aphria's target price. And now we're going to move on to Hexo, and then we're going to finish it up with Aurora Cannabis. If we're going to look at Hexo, I've been thinking about making a video on Hexo because I've been tempted to buy some more Hexo shares. Hexo has been one of my best investments so far, and I've collected some profits on Hexo already. So I'm at the point where I'm ready to buy back all the shares that I've sold with Hexo. So Hexo went up 0.3% today, currently sitting at $6.69 Canadian. And since May, Hexo was sitting pretty at $11.28 and has been on the downfall ever since. So Hexo has lost almost 50% of their gains. But year to date, Hexo started off the year at around $4.20. currently sitting at $6.69. As you can see from this graph right here, my next buying point is hopefully $6. Hexo is currently sitting at a support right now at around $6.50. I would say $6.60. I'm kind of waiting it for to go down to this support at around $6, which I would consider a buy. The lower it goes, the more likely I am to buy Hexo shares. So right now Hexo is currently downtrending, but we'll go back to, so now we're going to talk about Hexo stock. So we're currently sitting at $6.69 Canadian. The 1 year forecast for Hexo is $10.72. The 5 year is $24.13. So all these companies right now are getting downgrades with their target price. And that's it for Hexo. Now we're going to move on to Aurora Cannabis with their target price. So Aurora Cannabis has also been on a downtrend since March this year, and the decline has accelerated after its release of its earnings on May 14th. The company has lost almost 12% since then. So we're going to be looking at Aurora Cannabis target price. First, we're going to be looking at their ratings. The current consensus rating for the 14 analysts of Aurora Cannabis was a buy, which remained unchanged from last month. Of the 14 analysts, 4 maintained a strong buy on the stock, while 6 maintained a buy on the company in the current month. However, the number of analysts recommending a hold rose to 3 from 2, while 1 continued to have a sell rating on the stock. Aurora's peer Tilray and Cronos Group both had a hold recommendation each in the current month. So the price target, month over month, Aurora's cannabis price target was slightly lower at $14.30 Canadian from $14.70 Canadian dollars a month ago. However, based on the closing $9.70 Canadian on June 21st, the current target price would still entail an upside of 48% if the current price were to converge to this price target. So even Aurora's target price got lowered another 40 cents. So I think the only company that had a higher target price was Cronos. I'm just going to reconfirm that. Yeah, so Cronos target price was upgraded from 17 Canadian dollars to 27 Canadian dollars. So out of all these companies, Cronos target price was the only one not to be lowered. The worst target price by far, I think, is Aphria. They're only going up about 12 cents in 1 year, which I don't think is really good. But also you got to keep in mind that these target prices are always changing and it's never 100% guaranteed. It's just simply some good information to know what these analysts are rating these companies, and right now it's not looking good for all these pot stocks. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. Let me know what you guys think about these price targets. Let me know why you guys think Cronos price target was raised and why Aphria's price target is so bad. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.